Hello everyone! So today, nasa pangatlong week na tayo ng ating home workout at ang ating gagawin ay ang advanced and lower body workout at ang una nating gagawin ay ang jogging in place. Gagawin po natin yung jogging in place ng 10 to 15 minutes. After doing the jogging in place, we will be doing the calf raise with 8 repetition and 3 sets. So meron po tayong dalawang variation ng calf raise, which is the arms upward and oblique arms upward. So gagawin po muna natin ang arms upward. Ang susunod naman po ang oblique arms upward. After doing both po the calf raise, we will be doing the lunges with 8 repetition and 3 sets din po. Ulit na!